Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to my channel Rick Tip and Tricks. My name is Rick Asthana and on this channel I will be sharing my passion, my adventures and my experiences with all of you. I am here to connect with all of you, my amazing audience. I want to hear your thoughts, your ideas and your feedback on the content I create. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss the thing. And with that, let's dive into some amazing content. Thanks for tuning in and I will see you in the next video. How to create an account on Amino app. Amino is a community-based platform that allows you to join a groups and connect with people who share your interest. In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Amino. First, open the App Store on your device and search for Amino in the search bar. Once you have found the Amino app, download and install on your device. After the installation complete, open the Amino app. On the Amino home screen, tap the sign up button. You will be asked to enter your email address, create a username and password. Select your date of birth and then OK. Confirm your age and click on confirm. Fill the email ID and then click on next button. Click on yes button and then verify your account with OTP. Fill your difficult password and then click on next button. Create your profile, choose your image and then OK. Congratulations, account is created. Your profile is successfully. Now you can start exploring and connecting with people who share your interest on Amino. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.